Hello, my name is Vincent. Today we'll start about lessons that I've tried to want to share. I promise that I will make more videos on forex trading. We'll start with the basics. Here let's look at trading with support and resistance. I'll be looking at the chart, the Euro US dollar, the daily chart, and we'll start with a few rules. First, when you trade, I always advise that you should trade with the trend. Firstly, look if it's a downtrend or an uptrend. I use this 21 moving average, exponential moving average, to gauge the strength of the market, to know if it's an uptrend or it's a downtrend. Looking at this chart here, you can see it's a very nice downtrend. Here a smaller uptrend is going. Could be it's just a momentary trend that is building up just to pick it up. So after you looked at your up, if it's uptrend or a downtrend, you can also have support and resistance lines that support you to decide if it's the best time to take a trade or not. So we'll start by plotting the support and resistance and learn how to do this. You can also ask questions on the comments if you don't understand. Without wasting time, let us plot our first line here. Your lines might not be thicker, so if you want to make them thicker with using MT4, you can just adjust here how thick you want them to be. So we can see this point here, the market did return past here. It went down here and came back to this level. It touched it one time, twice, and third time. This is a strong resistance area. And then let's look at another level. The market has came here and touched here and here. You can see there the market came down and failed, and here the market tried to pass and failed and went up before it can pass through again. It's a strong support area. This is another area right here. The market came down, touched this level, and touched it again and went back. These areas are treated more like a zone, like you see with this area here. It is like that. It's like a zone. It's touched one, twice, three times. So it's a very strong support or resistance. And now with the daily, we're almost done with plotting the lines here. And I still see this level again. You see that is the market turned out here and also down here. So this whole area here is like a zone where the market it respected it, and like here as well, the market just turned up here. And supporting with this, you could see here, yeah, it's the right level where. All right, now let's go to a 4-hour chart. Let's look at the chart and see the practicality. How do you decide on how to trade with this? And let's try to approximate this, put it down a bit. I think we should draw another one here where the market is turned. Where else do we see a level? Okay, let's just work with this, and then let's see how it works, how we can take trades using support and resistance. Alright, on this one, the market is going up. It crosses this level right here. You let it go. You look at the trend. You see it's an uptrend. Fine. Your levels are already been plotted nicely. It's going up. It came back and touched the level and went back up. When it comes back down here, it touched it and went back up. You could have actually opened a trade right here. It would have actually failed. You'd have gained, if you gained some pips, you could have gained it by 60 pips, or you could have lost, depending on the target that you want. But then the market came back again. Let's assume that you open a trade again here, based on, you see it's an uptrend, then you're going up, and the market is right at the now at the support. So you bought maybe after the close of this candle right here. So the market did go up, you see that, until at this level here where it formed a pin bar, and it did not reverse back. It reversed for a bit of the day and went back and passed this level and went higher. But you can see that how much potential of the profits that you could have made from this right here, about 230 pips up. That's almost like more than could be more than 30% of your investment. That's how much it is, and you could have done this in just a couple of days. You see that you have 1 2 3 4 5 6, every candle here represents 1 hour. Then you took out your trade when it came to somewhere, wherever. But I expect that when you trade, you should have a risk reward. I will teach you about this on the next video, but let's on this video just focus on taking trades using support and resistance level. Let's look at another trade. It came back again, the market went down, and now back at the close of this, you open a trade, it went up again, found this support here, it went back up. How many pips this time? From here, oh, 297 pips. Then you could have went up that much. But I don't recommend that every time you take a trade, you should be to the maximum. You should have a risk reward. I keep repeating it. So now you look at your moving averages, saying you should go up, go down, then you keep trading with the moving averages. It's giving you the trend, you still go with the trend. So you go see right here, now the market says I'm going down. Then you see it punched through your level, it punched through this one, went even down, went up. You're looking at the trend or the trade. By the time it comes back down, went up, probably you could have opened a trade here for downwards, because this actually closed below the support or the resistance level, and you are going to be stopped out. And then you take in the second trade here again. This one would have been a good trade. This one would have been a loss by how many pips? Right here, you could have lost about 99 pips. And this one there, you open a trade once it went past through from here, and bang, 207 pips. You already made more than what you have lost from last time. So you see, this is the power of support and resistance, guys. And if you want to learn more about these strategies, how to control, how to minimize your profit, I'm always here. You can contact me, you can always comment, and then subscribe, and there'll be more videos coming to show you how to trade with this. For now, let's call it a day. Thank you so much for watching.